In this video, we're going to be talking about right angles, and we'll compare them to other angles to see how they compare. So if we have a problem like this that says, is this angle greater than, equal to, or less than a right angle? And here's the angle. So, of course, the first step will be to understand what a right angle is. A right angle looks like the corner of a square, as shown. So it looks like a corner of a square. Okay, and notice this little tiny square in the corner. And right angles always have a little square in the corner. So that's how you'll know that they're a right angle. So step 2, compare to a greater than right angle. This angle is greater than a right angle. You could see that if a right angle was on top of it, the line would be here. So this angle is greater. Now compare to a less than right angle. So this is less than a right angle. So again, if you can picture the right angle on top here, so this angle is less than the right angle. So finally, we could see that this angle is greater than a right angle. So that's the answer to this problem. And don't worry if you don't get that right away, you could just rewatch the video. And make sure to check out the description. There's links to other videos of mine there that are similar to this if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in it, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.